Happy New Year, guys. Welcome 2020. Today we have the review of Aoyi Mech Overload, the studio series 1-1 version of LongHaul. This mine came out straight from the package. It was transformed in truck mode. I don't know if the seller did that, but let's take a look at the box. It's nothing fancy. So here's the box. The company is Aoyi Mech. I think it's Black Mamba. So this is not an oversized figure. It should be 1-to-1 with the studio series. So here's the name of the company. So here's the truck mode. Looks good. What I didn't notice on mine though was some tabbing issues, especially here. This section doesn't want to tab into that part. I don't want to push it too hard. Maybe I need to sand off a little bit of the black piece right there. But the other one did tab in properly. And another thing that I noticed too, I didn't notice any die cast on this figure, so I don't know if they're going away with die cast, which I don't mind. I'm not a big fan of die cast, especially if they don't improve the ratchets or joints, because they end up being loose over time pretty quick. So let's see the transformation. This is midway of the transformation. As you can see, it's not a hard transformation. Basically all the robot parts are hidden beneath the truck. So let me continue transforming it. So here he is, finally transformed, and as I mentioned before, it wasn't a difficult transformation. Fortunately, due to its parts and everything, and the way he's bulky, it has articulation, but as you can see, all the parts get in the way. So a great leg articulation. The plastic, it feels the same as a Hasbro. So I didn't notice any weak plastic or brittle plastic. But definitely I didn't notice any die cast parts on this figure. I guess you can turn the wheels back. But overall, it's a great figure. I got it on AliExpress for around $12, and that was including shipping plus tax. Compared to what Hasbro, they're charging what now for Voyagers, close to $30. So let's take a look at the face, a close-up of the face. So it's pretty good sculpt. Typical Bayformers. It's just for the Decepticons, is whatever they feel like designing for the faces. So not much paint on this figure. It has gray metallic paint, so I'll give it that. But other than that, it's just green plastic. Let me see if I can take a better close-up of the face. And let me compare it with a Studio Series Ironhide, and this is a Hasbro figure. So as you can see, it's not oversized. It's the same size as Hasbro Voyager figure. And this is next to a Marvel Legends figure. So this is the Marvel Legends Ultron. He's typically he's larger than the typical Marvel Legends figure. And here he is next to Wolverine. So my final thoughts on the figure: I do recommend it. I wish it was oversized. Maybe in the future we'll get a better version with better joints, ratchets, and articulation. That would be great. But I think for the figure itself, it's a great figure. Especially if you're into robots or Gundams, it will make it look great just posting it next to them. Overall, I do recommend this figure. Besides tab issues that I had, it seems like a great figure from Aoyi Mech. So once again, thank you for watching the video, and if you have a chance, get it right now because the prices will be going up. I think on Aoyi Mech, or the sellers may increase the price too.